Hello everyone, welcome to Current Affairs Today. In this video, we are going to discuss the top 15 MCQs of 17th of June 2021. But before we begin, quiz. Which state has launched Ayurvedic telemedicine facility for COVID patients? Who is the author of the book Elephant in the Womb? Who has won men's single title at Geneva Open title 2021? Kamirita Sherpa of Nepal has created a new record by climbing Mount Everest for which time? For dash time. For which time you can say. Hemanta Biswa Sarma has become the new Chief Minister of which state? Who has won the title Spanish Grand Prix 2021? Center Institute of Brackish Water Aquaculture has its headquarters in which place? Which country has successfully sent a new remote sensing satellite Yogan 34 into space? Lee Evans, who passed away, was associated with which sport? Who has been appointed as National Security Advisor to Pakistan? So these were some of the important quiz questions from May. Let's discuss the answers. So which state has launched Ayurvedic telemedicine facility? This is Haryana. Elephant in the Womb has been written by Kalki Koechlin. Kalki Koechlin. Men's single title at Geneva Open has won by Casper Ruud. Kamirita Sherpa of Nepal has created the record for 25th time. Hemant Biswa Sarma has become the Chief Minister of Assam. Who has won the title Spanish Grand Prix? Lewis Hamilton. Lewis Hamilton has won. CIBA Center Institute of Brackish Water Aquaculture has its headquarters in Chennai. Yogan 34 China. Lee Evans passed away, was associated with the sports of sprinter. Who has been appointed as National Security Advisor of Pakistan? His name is Mood Yusuf. So these were the quiz questions. Now let's discuss our today's current affairs. Who has won the $15,000 Galfand Challenge chess title? So this tournament has been won by D. Gukesh. His name is D. Gukesh has won the $15,000 Galfand Challenge chess title. Which state's geographical indication certified Jardalu mangoes were exported to United Kingdom? Not only Jardalu mangoes were exported to UK, but also Shahi lychee also exported to UK. We are talking about Bihar. Nitish Kumar is the Chief Minister. Nitish Kumar, who is the governor? Fagu Chauhan. They have launched Nature Safari. Nature Safari has been launched by the Chief Minister of Bihar, Nitish Kumar. Hit COVID app has been launched by Bihar government. Hit COVID app. What is the theme of World Elder Abuse Awareness Day 2021? So this is Access to Justice. Access to Justice is the theme of World Elder Abuse Awareness Day, and this day is celebrated on 15th of June. 31st Summit of North Atlantic Treaty Organization held in which country? So this is held in Belgium, the headquarters of NATO itself in Belgium, in Brussels, Belgium, North Atlantic Treaty Organization. Which among the following states will present its own Bharat Ratna and Padma Awards from 2022. So this is Assam. Assam Chief Minister Hemant Biswa Sarma has decided that they will present their own Bharat Ratna and Padma Awards from 2022. Hemant Biswa Sarma has uh, bought this initiative. Who is uh, remember something about Assam? Assam Rifles. Before discussing about Assam, Assam Rifles 21st director is Pramod Chandan Nair. This is very important. PC Nair. And recently they observed their 186th Raising Day. Raising Day. Assam Rifles is the oldest paramilitary force of India. Protects us with Myanmar border. Myanmar border. And recently Parul Devidas passed away. Parul Devidas, who is she? She is the first woman IAS officer from Assam, recently passed away. And Morhen Mat. Morhen Yoga Mat. Yoga mat made by 6 girls of Assam. Made by 6 girls of Assam. Morhen Mat. And Rupsi Airport started its function. Rupsi Airport. And 18 elephants were founded. 18 elephants were founded in Nagaon place. In Nagaon of Assam. Recently they have launched Guardian Ministers by Assam. And very important, Mukhyamantri Shishu Seva Achoni scheme. Achoni. In this scheme, the government will provide 3,500 as a monthly income for the children, those who have lost their parents in this COVID. And you should remember one more person. His name is Bhumidhar Barman. Who is he? He is the former Chief Minister of Assam, passed away. He is the former Chief Minister of Assam, passed away. And if we talk more about Assam, Lakshmi Nandan Bora has received the Padma Shri award from Assam government, and he also passed away. Lakshmi Nandan Bora received the Padma Shri award from Assam government. Received Padma awards. He is from Assam and recently passed away. We have the Raimona National Park. Raimona, which is the 6th national park. Which is the 7th national park? Dibru Saikho is the 7th national park. Excluding this, we have Dibru Saikho, no, it's Dehing Patkai National Park. We have Orang National Park, Nameri National Park, and Kaziranga National Park, Manas National Park, and okay, so these are the national parks. Raja Parva, a 3-day festival to honor womenhood is celebrated in which state? So they will this Raj Parva festival is celebrated in Odisha. If you talk more about Odisha, we have something known as Gopabandhu Bima Yojana. This Yojana has been launched by Odisha. अनामिया मुक्त भारत इंडेक्स, अनामिया मुक्त भारत index. In this, Madhya Pradesh has topped and Odisha is the second. We have Simlipal biosphere, and second biosphere is Mahendragiri. Recently they have observed 14-day mask abhiyan, 14-day mask abhiyan, and they celebrate their statute day on 1st of April. In 2021 it was their 86th statute day. We have Talcher thermal power plant which has been shut down. Radha Mohan, remember this name, Radha Mohan. Who is he? He is the environmentalist from Assam, passed away. Radha Mohan is the environmentalist, passed away recently. Chilka Lake, remember one more. Chilka Lake is found in Odisha. Bhitarkanika National Park, Bhitarkanika National Park, which was in news recently. Who is the Chief Minister? Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik. Who is the Governor? Ganeshi Lal. And if you talk about Chief Justice, I think yes, Muralidhar. Yes, Muralidhar is the Chief Justice of Odisha High Court. Sanchari Vijay, passed away, is related to which field? So he is from film studio. He is an actor. In Kannada movies. And recently he passed away. His name is Sanchari Vijay. Which state has launched artificial intelligence mission aim to accelerate program named REVUP to empower artificial intelligence startup? So this is Telangana. So Telangana has launched this artificial intelligence named REVUP. Who has won the gold medal at Poland Open ranking series? So this has been won by Vinesh Fogart. At 53 kg category has won the gold at Poland Open ranking series. Which IIT has developed Jeevan Vayu, India's first free continue positive airway pressure device? So this has been launched by IIT Madras. IIT Madras has developed Jeevan Vayu, India's first power free continue positive airway pressure. So remember this. Center has allocated 1804 crore to which state under Jal Jeevan Mission to make tap water supply to every households or every home? So this they have launched in Kerala. Who is the Chief Minister? Kerala's Chief Minister is Pinarayi Vijayan. And who is the Governor? Arif Muhammad Khan. And Yes Mani Kumar is the Chief Justice of Kerala High Court. Recently they have launched Snakepedia, Knowledge Economy Forum, and Smart Kitchen Scheme. And recently they have launched in Kerala has topped in third edition of Sustainable Development Goal. Kerala has topped again in third edition. In second edition also Kerala has topped. Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterway signed MOU with which ministry for the cooperation in the development of National Maritime Heritage Complex at Lothal in Gujarat. So this is our Ministry of Culture. Prahlad Singh Patel, whose constituency is Damoh in Madhya Pradesh, has signed an MOU with Ports, Shipping and Waterway Minister, who is a Mansukh Mandaviya. To develop National Maritime Heritage Complex at Lothal. Which ministry has launched Adi Prashikshan Portal, an online capacity building program for ST members. So this has been launched by our Tribal Affairs Minister Arjun Munda. And he only launched Sankalp Se Siddhi for 100 days. Under Ministry of Tribal Affairs, his constituency is Khunti in Jharkhand. Adi Prashikshan Portal. Which IIT hosted the conference of BRICS Network Universities at part of 13th BRICS Summit? So this is IIT Bombay. IIT Bombay has hosted the conference of BRICS Network Universities. So these were the current affairs of 16th of June. 17th of June. See you on 18th of June. Thank you.